Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. My name's John and welcome to my channel. This is the WL Toys 124018 and today I wanted to talk about drive shafts or dog bones or whatever else you want to call it. Specifically this one here and this one here. Now on this car at the front there is this one and this is joined, okay? This is where the wheel attaches and the wheel nut. On the rear, this is separate to this. Okay, now the reason why you would want to swap the rears out for the fronts is for what happened to me the other day. We went over a jump, it landed badly, and somehow nothing came off, nothing broke, but the drive shaft disappeared. And it took us ages to find it. I still don't know. I still don't know how it came off. It must have just been one of those fluky things. But of course, with the fronts, because this is attached to the wheel itself, the nut, if the rear pops out, it's not going to go anywhere. So it's nice and easy to find. But they're cheap as chips, aren't they? What, 4, 5 euros, maybe 3, whatever. I haven't checked that, but it's not a lot. But to actually get them out is so simple. So let me show you. You need to take the wheel nut off. Also, before I do that, just have a look at the thread coming out of that wheel nut. Not a lot, is that? So, let's get this wheel nut off. Done. Pop off. Then we have to take off the hex. I call it the hex nut. I may be wrong. Doesn't want to come off. There we go. Inside there is a little washer. That also has to come out. Just grab these, try and do it while recording. Nice and easy to do. Nut. Cool. There's the pin. Okay. Now, there's that for now. I will put that down, put it into focus. Now, take our trusty pliers. I use these for everything because what you can do is, you see the ball joint here. Let's see if I can do it a little bit closer to make it nice and easy for you. Ball joint there. If I grab with these pliers now and twist, look at that. See how simple that is? They're a little bit tighter on this car than they are on the 144001, so having a set of these is very helpful. So now, watch now. Oh, drive shaft comes out, and this pops out, he says easily, but I see that there is some gunk on this side, some sort of glue or something, so I'm going to have to put it down. Actually, let's put it on its side and focus again. Booyah. What is that gunk? It is a blue gunk. Okay, I shall bang it through. Ready? Get off. Come on. Don't make me go get my hammer. Voila. Now let me just show you. I have, come on, focus. I have a wheel bearing that's come off as well, again, and that's just because of that gunk that's on there. So that just gets pulled. Oh, I thought that was going on the floor then. That just gets pulled off. Tiny little things, aren't they? And you can see where it's falling out from. In there. So, put it back in. Did the other one fall out? No. So that's that now back in. So this is the one that is attached, as you can tell, into the oil. Make sure the wheel bearing on the other side doesn't fall out. Get that tie rod out of the way. Lift it up and make sure that you're feeding it in here correctly. Take your tie rod onto your ball joint and push, or in my case, put it down, refocus, and grab your trusty pliers. Ready for the click. Voila. And there we go. It is that easy to replace that. So pin back in. Da, 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 da. Hex nut back on. Da, 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 da. Come on. Wheel on. And tighten it up. Okay, that's strange. The reason I said keep an eye on the thread, come on, focus, there you go. See how the thread is back to what it was right at the start, but on this side, is it because I've got a bigger wheel nut? It could be the bigger wheel nut. So we shall just ignore that completely. So we now have those drive shafts all over the car. So even if it has one of the most humongous crashes we've ever seen, the drive shafts are not going to come out. And trust me, I have now, what is it, 1, 2, 3, 4 times been hunting for these bloody things. Now, little tip for you. Top tip, I can't remember who said it, and I do apologise profusely about that, because I do want to tell your name, but I can't remember, so put it in the comments below if it was you that told me. Somebody suggested putting a little bit of orange tape across this. If you don't have the parts to swap them around, get some orange tape so that if they do fall off, they should be easier to see. And there you go. A nice, simple, easy fix, and it will save you time and energy in the future. This can also be done on the 144001 and the 124019. Simple! So, if you like this video, please give me a like. Press that like button as hard as you can. Make sure that it stays on. Don't hit it twice because then it'll go off again. We don't want that. Subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell for future video alerts. And I wish you a magnificent day today. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.